everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of my Amazon haul. It's just a mini haul for my small business I started. I started selling lashes, so hope you guys enjoy. And joining me here today is my 8-month-old baby. I had him in November. If you guys seen his video, is I put up welcome to the world, where I'm gonna put the link up and above. And also, as you can see, he's right here signing milk, even though he literally just ate milk. So yeah, let's get started. Hope you guys enjoy. Oops. I'm unboxing my video. My little fatty here is enjoying his F-150 baby walker. How do you like it, Gojo? How do you like your truck? You love it? Yeah, you love it? Okay, so let's get started. Say bye-bye, guys. Okay, or not. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna start off by opening this small box. I had to redo the audio because unfortunately I forgot to connect my mic. So yeah, let's get started. Let's open this up. I forgot what I actually ordered, so let's check it out. Okay, so let's see. I see a little pink color. Oh, now I remember. So these are the product bags that I got from Amazon. And honestly, I got these because I don't like sending out my packages just all simple and basic. So let me show you guys what this look like. As you can see, here is the Amazon pouchy product bag that I got. Let me show you what it looks like with one of my products that I sell. I'm selling lashes, mink lashes. So this is what it would look like if I send it out. Just put it in the little baggie, put it in the poly mailer, and ship it out. Which I find this a little more cuter. I'm actually going to be making also business cards and some stickers so I can give them out as well. But yeah, this honestly, it would look way better than just having a basic packaging. And I also got labels from Avery, but I bought them off Amazon. I got these because honestly I would love to label my products. As you can see, this one's called Shine, so I'm just going to label it on the side so I can find it quicker in the boxes, so I won't have to be figuring out which is which. But yeah, I'm going to also be doing a video on YouTube about how I'm going to be doing the labels, so you guys can check that out as well. Now let's get started with the big box. Alright guys, sorry about the audio in my last video. I just realized that the TV was on in the background besides my baby screaming like a little psycho. So yeah, let's go on to the big box. So this was a big package. I forgot what I ordered, honestly. Let's open it, Gojo. Are you excited to see what it is? I'm just gonna rip it. Trying to be graceful. Bubbles. Okay, now I remembered what I ordered. So I just realized I'm gonna have a big mess. Okay, bubble wraps. Bubble envelopes. I got this because the other envelopes that I have are way too tiny, and honestly, nothing fits in them. But one single or at least 3 items. So I got these, which were a little bigger. There's 6x10, 25 pieces, and I think for now that's a pretty good quantity, because right now not a lot of people are buying due to the coronavirus. Okay, and then this is my all-time favorite. I'm gonna be putting the links and the pictures on the side also of all the products I'm buying. This is a LG portable photo studio. This is the one I'm most excited about because honestly, my pictures for my Amazon, no, sorry, not my Amazon, I haven't posted on Amazon. For Depop or Facebook and TikTok. The pictures, they look okay, but I'm just using a carpet right now, like a little white rug. And I think this would be the best because it comes with a photo LED thing. I'm not going to be building it right now because my baby's a little fussy. I'm going to be doing a whole video separate for that. But as you can see right here, there's a little space. That's where you put the product. Your phone's up here and you take the picture. Pretty quite excited. So yeah, this is what I got. The poly mailers. The purple. They were supposed to be pink, but they look kind of purple. The product holders, the little baggies, they're cute. Forgot what they're called. And also, lastly, my Avery labels. So, yeah, guys, this was a pretty good small haul. Everything was just for my small business. I started it in November. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. I'm going to be putting up a different video about each product and how I'm using it, how it's working out for me. So So yeah, guys, thank you so much for checking out this video featuring my little baby right here, Troublemaker. Say bye, guys. So check out my other videos. So yeah, check out all our other videos, and I hope you guys subscribed. Also like it, share. If you have any questions, comment. If you guys want to see any other videos of me and my baby, just let us know. Thank you. Bye bye. Say bye bye, buddy. Say bye bye, buddy. Say bye bye.